Voyager 1, the spacecraft that launched decades ago on an almost impossible mission, continues to travel beyond the limits we once thought insurmountable. It has traveled millions and millions of kilometers, crossing regions of space where no other spacecraft has gone before. But today, Voyager 1 has just sent back information that defies everything we thought we knew at the edge of our solar system, in an area known as the heliopause. Voyager 1 has recorded something scientists are calling an impossible discovery. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 had a clear mission to explore the outermost planets of our solar system, collect data, and one day, perhaps cross that invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After flying over Jupiter and Saturn, sending us unprecedented images and data, Voyager 1 continued its journey into the unknown void. In 2012, it became the first man-made object to officially leave the solar system, crossing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. But now, more than 47 years after its launch, Voyager 1 has surprised us again. It has detected something at the edge of our solar system, something scientists never imagined. The heliopause is that boundary that marks the end of our sun's influence. Beyond this barrier, the solar wind vanishes and the interstellar vacuum takes over. But what does it really mean to cross this boundary? What lurks on the other side? The heliosphere, a protective bubble created by the solar wind, keeps us safe from many dangerous particles coming from the galaxy. But by crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 has been exposed to phenomena that we have never before studied so closely. Phenomena that today seem to defy our laws of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 have puzzled scientists. They have detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a kind of vibration in interstellar space that until now had no explanation. This is surprising because, in theory, in that region, the magnetic field should be almost constant. But these changes suggest that there is unknown activity at the edge of the heliopause, something that until now we had no way of detecting. Scientists believe it could be an unknown type of energy or even an indication that there are forces in deep space that are beyond our current understanding. What is really happening at the edge of our solar system? Some scientists believe that these fluctuations in the magnetic field could be a form of energy that we have never recorded, a type of echo from the deep universe. But the theories get even more puzzling. Could it be that something external is interacting directly with the solar system? We are faced with the possibility that these magnetic vibrations are responses to phenomena outside the solar system. It is as if the very edge of the heliosphere is responding to a push from outer space. The signals are weak, but repetitive and present patterns we have not observed before. Another fascinating hypothesis suggests that the heliopause could be squeezed by some kind of energy stream from the Milky Way or even beyond. These currents could be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars, or perhaps by a much more distant and unexplained phenomenon. If this is true, we would be discovering not only a new physical interaction but also the possibility that the solar system is connected to other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this phenomenon is not just a finding but a real wake-up call. Voyager the first of maybe discovering an energy grid or something similar at the edge of our solar system. If these energy streams exist, we are seeing for the first time how the solar system connects to the galaxy on a scale we had not anticipated. This would radically change our understanding of energy in the universe. Imagine that these forces or energy currents create invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, allowing energetic communication between different points in the galaxy. If true, we could be on the verge of discovering a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and connects the entire galaxy in a cosmic web. The Voyager 1 mission has been, without a doubt, a journey of no return into the unknown. With every signal it sends, it reminds us how little we know about the limits of our own system. And although its instruments were designed in the 1970s, their value in space exploration has exceeded all expectations. Voyager 1's technology is antiquated compared to what we have today, but it remains our best tool at the frontier of the solar system. It is recording phenomena that we had not even anticipated when it was launched, and it remains our only witness in that remote region. Despite being more than 23 billion kilometers away from us, Voyager 1 continues to send back priceless data. Every little signal we receive is like a distant call from a cosmic frontier. Voyager 1's discoveries drive us to continue exploring, to create spacecraft capable of going even further and understanding the secrets of the universe. As Voyager shows us the way, humanity prepares to take the next step in interstellar exploration. With each piece of data Voyager 1 sends back, we get a little closer to the time when humans too can cross that frontier. Maybe someday, we'll make it across the heliopause and discover what's really beyond the edge of the solar system. Not to be missed is a comment from Elon Musk, one of the most influential visionaries in the field of space technology. Elon has closely followed the Voyager 1 breakthroughs and discoveries, and in his own words, this discovery represents a wake-up call for humanity. Musk has expressed that this voyage data could accelerate our efforts to develop interstellar spacecraft capable of overcoming the current limitations of space technology. In his plans with SpaceX, Elon Musk has always had his sights set on deep space, and these discoveries not only inspire him but motivate him to develop new technologies to travel even further. Could the information provided by Voyager 1 be the spark that ignites a new era of interstellar exploration? According to Musk, the recent discovery proves that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be unraveled and that we must prepare to explore them. This discovery also raises a question that has intrigued humankind forever. Could life exist beyond our solar system? If forces at the edge of the heliosphere are interacting with interstellar space, is it possible that we are looking at a sign of activity somewhere nearby? We cannot rule out the possibility of unknown life forms or biological phenomena interacting with solar system structures in a way we do not yet understand. Although it may sound like science fiction, every discovery brings us a little closer to understanding whether we are really alone in the universe. Every piece of data, every signal that Voyager 1 sends from so far away, is one more piece in the puzzle. Perhaps in the future, these data will help us discover signs of life in interstellar space. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries that no other man-made object has ever reached. It has taught us how vast and mysterious the universe is, and although its journey has its days numbered, the questions it leaves behind will continue to resonate in science and in our hearts. We live on a small planet on the edge of an infinite galaxy, and now, thanks to Voyager 1, we know that there are forces beyond our comprehension. What else awaits us out there? Voyager 1 reminds us that exploration never ends, that the next great discovery is always just beyond.